Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been trying to keep to a schedule of posting once every 2 weeks and I was doing great, but I got very busy and ran out of stuff to post, so I am so sad now that I missed one video. But I am not missing posting this week, so let's see how long I can keep up with it. In today's video, as you can already tell, I am doing my makeup for Your from Spy X Family. I saw an interesting argument saying that Spy Family makes it sound like they're a family of spies, and that's not the case, so you should pronounce X in the name, and I think that person has a point. Anyways, I've already taped my cheeks, did my foundation, and now I'm applying concealer on the center of my face, and next I am grabbing a cream blush and I'm applying it on my cheek and nose area, mostly focusing on my cheekbones. Next I grab a wet beauty blender and a loose powder and tap it all into my skin so it's all nice and smooth. I remove excess with a brush, and next I move on to my eyebrows. I just grab this black eyeshadow and fill them in following my natural shape. I'm not making them too dark so they look natural. Then I set my eyebrows in place with eyebrow gel, and this one I have is drying up so it's all clumpy and weird, and I honestly should just throw it away, but I keep using it for some reason. Next I grab those beautiful red lenses, which has been my favorite since 10 years ago. I tried so many different ones, but I keep coming back to those. I started my eye makeup by setting concealer in place with a nude shade. Then I take a reddish brown and add it in the crease on the outer corner and under my eye. I am using this Huda knockoff palette, which is pretty good. I saw a good review on it, and this is a legit Chinese brand, so I bought it and I've been pretty happy with it. So let's just say it's Huda inspired. And next I take a dark burgundy brown and darken the outer corner a bit. I clean up the shape a bit with a brush with leftover concealer and grab the eye primer and apply it on my lid as a base for shimmery color. Next, I apply the champagne shimmer closer to the inner corner and burgundy shimmer on the center. Then I wet a tiny brush and take the darkest eyeshadow I used to draw bags under my eyes, and I blend it out with a dry brush. Then I take a highlighter and apply it under my eye, and now I'm going to do the eyeliner. Today I am going for a very sharp, looking up, cat-like or fox-like. I don't know what it's called. I don't watch enough beauty YouTubers. And I struggle. And guys, I officially ran out of my favorite NYX eyeliner and I've been on a hunt for a good new one, and this one is the closest I found and it's not that great. Please let me know if you know good matte liquid eyeliner with a brush. Not tip felt, not satin, not a marker. It's always either matte and liquid or liquid with a brush. Like, it's never all three. And here I decided it's not looking up enough, so I removed the tip with a dry Q-tip and I filled in the missing eyeshadow and I drew it in a way I wanted. I wouldn't say I have a hooded eye, but I do have a very prominent eyelid, so I check how it looks with my eye open and adjust it accordingly. So it doesn't look straight, but more like a bat wing. I clean up eyeshadow a bit more, curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. By the way, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button because it will make me very happy. Next, I contour my nose using whatever I used in my eye crease, and I decided that my blush game is not strong enough and I add some more. I love this blush because even though it's creamy, it layers on top of the powder perfectly. Then I apply the highlighter on my nose, chin and my cheeks, and I blend it in very well on my cheeks. I have a PTSD after one of my latest shoots, where my highlighter was so bright it literally looked like a light source on its own. So I had to really fix it in Photoshop, so now I blend it extra hard. I glue down the eyelashes and then it's time for the lips. I use brush with leftover concealer to even out the color and then I contour them a bit. Then I apply lipstick and I wanted it to be red because it fits yours so good, but I didn't want it to stand out too much, so I blend the first two layers into a nice gradient. And for the third one, I apply it on the center of the lips and I only blend out the edges. And boom, we're done!